In this video, we're presenting you a really creative DIY project that you can make for your own garden. Let's work on it together. This tutorial teaches you how to transform plastic bottles into a beautiful creation for your garden. The DIYer started by preparing the plastic bottles first. He cut the bottles and now he's connecting them with zip ties. But before that, he opened holes in each bottle using a soldering iron. The materials that you will need for this project are plenty of plastic bottles, a plastic wash basin, a soldering iron, zip ties, scissors, wire, and paint. Now watch this. This is a very important step. Next, the DIYer is working on the shape of this piece. He's creating a kind of a waterfall with portulaca flowers. Next, he's mixing soil, coir, and fertilizer. It's time to fill the plastic bottles turned into flower pots with soil. As this is going to be a flower waterfall, the DIYer is securing the main pot in the wall. All that's left is planting the flowers in the holes the DIYer has opened in the bottles. We're so impressed by this awesome project. What do you guys think of it? Would you make it for your own garden? Beautiful flowers. Hope you like this great idea as much as we did.